This is the video we are diving into something that can make or break your trading game. No, it's not indicator, it's not a strategy, it's not some fancy stuff I'm going to teach you, but it's you, it's your mind. Watch this whole video, do not skip it, and in 10 minutes I'm going to share with you why 90% of the traders are losing money because they are not thinking right. My name is Ashish Choudhary. I am NISM research analyst. I have been trading since past 4 years. I have already lost 20 lakh rupees. I have almost recovered it. I am at the break even right now. So I thought I might be the best person or the man to teach you that what it takes, treat your mind like a king and to trade the best you can. So hit that like button and let's jump in. You are looking at your chart, you are looking at your screen, you saw the stock is moving up and you want to hit that buy button. But the next things comes in is fear. That's what if I lose money? What if the stock goes down? And if you have already bought it and the stock moves up by 50% on your trade, that's when the greed comes in. What if it goes more up? What if it gives me more money? And the next thing you know that your profit is gone. That's trading psychology in action. So here is the truth. Studies shows that fear and greed drives the most trading mistake. It's not about the chart, it is what happening right here. Studies has also showed that trading on shorter time frame also leads to more emotion trigger. Well, I have something regarding this I am coming up with next week. So watch this whole video because I am going to announce it later. So how do we fix this fear and greed? Awareness. Are you revenge trading after losing trade? Are you into FOMO of missing out? Whatever it is, just write it down. Have a journal because it's cheaper and it's like a therapy and it works. So let's talk about the two biggest culprits. It's fear and it's greed. Fear keeps you out of good trade and make you cut your winner very early. While greed is when you overtrade and hold into your losing trade in a hope of reversal. But one question, how much did you lose money when you hold into the losing trade? I know a lot of money, but it's me also. I used to do the same problem. Now you guys are doing it, so it's all in the mind. So here is the pro tip. Make a rule and stick to it. Your entry, your exit, your stop loss, your trailing stop loss, whatever your strategy is, make a rule and stick to them. Write it in front of your screen, in front of your head, inside your head. Make a tattoo of it. It won't matter, but stick to them. Here's the story of my friend when he bought one of the railway stock in 2023 bull run when the railways was peaking. He bought it in a hope of 40 to 50% of gain in one trade. He entered the stock market as a swing trader. Now he is still holding it with the loss of 45% and now he's an investor. That's how the beginners work. You entered as a trader and now you are an investor because you are holding your losing trade. That's how it is. That's how the psychology works. Now let's talk about the secret sauce, that is discipline. Trading is absolutely boring when you do it right. The best traders aren't the one who uses multiple screen or multiple fancy indicators, but they are the one who treat this like a job or any other business. They show up, they follow the plan, they sleep and they repeat. Even the pro traders loses 40 to 50% of the time, but they treat it like a business and they do what they need to do. They show up, follow the plan, sleep and repeat. So ask yourself, would you trade the setup you have found for yourself if you had to explain that setup to me or to anyone? If the answer is no, skip it. So what is the winning mindset? There are three things: patience, detachment, and third is confidence. Patience is waiting for the right setup, not running into FOMO, not over trading it. You find your process, you have find your setup, you will wait patiently to the confirmation of the setup and then you will trade. Detachment means not looking at your screen all time long. You have your process intact, you have the process in your mind, you have your system, the trade, you got the trade, you started trading, you have one setup, you follow the rule. If the stop loss is hit, you exit, that's it. No emotions in between. Emotion detachment is the key here. Third one is confidence. Follow your process and not your guts. Have confidence on your process, on your system, but don't show confidence on your guts, because that might lead to overconfidence and that might hurt your trading journey as well. So here is the challenge for you. From now, start with trading the lowest quantity ever. Focus on executing your strategy and watch how your stress level drops, because you are trading with the lowest quantity. You have less stress, you have less emotion in between. So there is highly likely that you will follow your process, because small wins makes big habits. Remember the first point of fear and greed? That is when the beginners get stuck with, and along with the shorter time frame. Most of the beginners start with the shorter time frame and move on to the longer time frame. Personally, like the pro tip for you guys and for beginners, you should always start with longer time frame, because it gives you less stress, less screen time, less emotion in between. And for that thing, for you to follow this longer time frame, I would like to help you, and I am coming up with a new free swing trading strategy that mostly focus on longer time frame. That means less screen time, less stress, and less emotion trigger in between. So if you are interested joining in on my Telegram channel, it's coming live this week, so join now.